Hey everyone, you're watching the day 2 of the Star Wars Celebration Chicago coverage that we did. This is the archive of what I filmed live on Facebook at the show on site. This is for those who missed that or want to watch it again. It's pretty fun to see the evolution. If you watch them in order, you'll see how it was for us and the public as well, and how the Scarif Diorama grew in build as the day progresses. So today is day 2, the Friday, and it was a lot of fun yesterday and a huge turnout, and today was the first full day because on the first day was opening ceremonies and it was really half a day. It was from 1 to 8. Today was a full day, 9 till 7 o'clock at night, or 10 to 7. And you'll get to see my diaries and how the turnout was, some of the buildings, and what the people doing the work at the workshop and everything like that. So enjoy, and my name's Frank Diorio. You're watching DioramaWorkshop.com. My God, the reception is so bad today. Oh, hey everyone, it's Frank Diorio, DioramaWorkshop.com. Welcome to my it's not Tuesday, what day is it today? Friday. Second day Diorama Workshop, Diorama Builders, I should say, at StarWarsCelebration.com. We had quite a day. It's now 9:30. I could not get any signal to do any live videos today. There were so many people with their phones in the building. I guess it causes total chaos with the Wi-Fi and everything. So anyway, I just want to tell you that progress is really going well on the build. The fans' reaction is amazing. Kids are having a blast. People are saying I'm hearing epic and the coolest thing ever, which is fantastic. So I will show you what we did today after my little mini meltdown I just had with the crew. So if they're watching this, I apologize in front of the world for my annual, well, not annual because celebration is not every year, but there's always one meltdown at some point in the convention, and it's very stressful to organize these things and try to keep everyone happy when you have a big crew and when everyone's tired at the end of the day and wants to go home, but you have things that you have to fix before you can do so, and so on. So enough of that behind the scene drama, and let me show you the really cool stuff, okay? I'm going to flip the camera over here. So I'm starting from this corner, okay? These are the tiles that are made today. It's not the final layout. This is just to show you an example of what we've been starting to put together and seeing how it all comes and fits. All the tile pieces interlocking exactly as we had planned. We have people starting to place their figures on the little beach scenes. We have stormtroopers, all kinds of stuff. We have mini crates. You have to go do an overfly like this. And then we have some little tunnels that have been starting. We have one of the landing shuttles over here. Very nice. With the tarmac. We have some little buildings. We have some scout adventure going over here. And then we have a second shuttle there. We're gonna have to move that shuttle a little bit to make it dispersed a little bit more. We have these towers over here. That's just temporary placement. And these islands over here like that. None of our jokes or Easter eggs have been placed yet, so that's gonna be for the last night. But this just shows you that from here all the way there is 30 feet. So, and what Alyssa did today was really cool. she made these little stands. It says Akbar Vision, and if you take your little binoculars and you look, it won't work with this, but you look and you can actually see, like when you go to Empire State Building or something, you can actually see all of the little figures really close up. We have some more bunkers like this and stuff, and we have, I'm going the wrong direction to show you this, but we have our Citadel Tower completed. We finished the paint. It's still semi wet. We have the dish there. It's hard to see. I'll go around on the other side. If I tilted the phone, I could show you, but anyway, so we're going to be putting that up probably not tomorrow. We're planning on doing it tonight, but we haven't put our little secret surprise yet, and we can't do that until some special tiles are constructed by the fans tomorrow. So that'll probably be on Sunday reveal, which will come all the way there. The tower, if I put my finger like this, the tower is going to be right there in the center and approximately 10 feet tall, like that. It's going to be humongous, and it's the first thing that you're going to see when you come out. So here's one of the cool first at customs that Jamie Follis, one of my longest crew member, has done. This is his battle attack with the X-Wings attacking the at with the smoke going along like this. It's hard to see because of the bricks, but it's very cool. It even lights up, but we have no electricity. If I try to come in closer, over here we have Krennic and shore troopers coming in from the attack, which is very nice, and some bridges and different things like that. So this will have to be finished at some point tomorrow. My crew is leaving. Good night. Here is the base where the tower will be on, except that this is underneath the tables, so you won't be seeing that. This is what it looks like when everyone is gone. We are the only ones here as usual. All the people have left. Here is what we have ready for tomorrow. We have a little bit of cleanup in that area. We finished our if I go here, or active prototype. If I go on this side, you'll see a painted version. So we have that option where people can build that. I will have blueprints and instructions on how to do that after the show if you want to do it at home. And then we have all the tower options and different things like that. And if I go on this side, I don't know if it'll make a difference, but so here is the back of the platform, and here's the radar dish, and this is the tower. And someone said it looks like the Battlestar Galactica Viper from the 80s TV series, which is kind of true when you look at it like that. So this whole thing is 10 feet tall. You see it a little bit on its, if I could put it like this, see? So the dish is attached like that, and then it has its top piece, and then the two wings at the bottom. So the wing parts is what gets attached. These are like the sides, kind of like a clock. So the wings will go attached on this, and then it'll give a really cool perspective, because the tower will go, see, inside this pit of tables that we have over here. So the base goes in the pit, like you see the waterfall in the movie, and then the tower that you have here will be flipped and then placed here for all the people to see. And it really doesn't do it justice. Like, it's cool on video, I'm sure, but when you see it in person, the scale, the perspective, if this was 3D, maybe it'd be cooler. But this is what was done in just 1.5 days, because the first day was really just a half day. People started coming in only at 1 o'clock or something. But if you look here, when it's going to be finished, you're gonna have from all the way here, all of this, all of this, all of that is all gonna be filled with diorama and 3,000 little FFG figures, and it should be pretty cool. I'm flipping the camera. One of our crew members, Tony, his son, bought a drone that we're hoping to be able to fly over Scarif, like in the movie, when if you were on X-wing view or whatever. And so we're hoping that's going to work. We'll have to fly it obviously after closing because it's too dangerous with the public. So it would be like at this time when we're the only ones here doing it. So we're hoping that will work and capture some good footage. And yeah, so that's what we did. I wish I would have been able to show you construction stuff. I took some pictures. We're taking lots of videos and different things that we'll be editing and posting after the show, so there'll still be lots of content to continue celebration after I return home. And so I just wanted to share that with you and tell you that it's going really well, and that the reaction is above what we were expecting. And tomorrow, Saturday, is always the busiest day, so we are getting ready for, how do you say, to brace ourselves for what's to come. And apparently there's one of the biggest arcades in Chicago that we want to go to tomorrow to just take a break from all of this with all of our fans and crews who want to come with us. So that'll be tomorrow. Hopefully we're not going to have to stay here too late. And yeah, so that's all I wanted to share with you. I have to find my bag now and time to leave. So thank you for watching. I'll try and give you an update if I can. If my phone connection works, I'll do some live videos during the day, and if not, I'll do an end of evening recap. I'm sure the diorama is going to be 3 times the size as it is now, so it'll be pretty cool. So thanks everyone for watching. Thanks everyone who came to build today and yesterday and who will be coming tomorrow. It's much appreciated. And I'll be talking to you later on. So have a nice day, or have a nice evening, I should say. The day is pretty, the day has been gone a long time. And yeah, so Frank Diorio, Diorama Workshop, out from Chicago, Star Wars Celebration. Talk to you later. Good night. Thanks for watching DioramaWorkshop.com. If you want more interactivity, you can follow us on these multimedia platforms. If you have a question about past or future Star Wars Celebration workshops, send me an email at dioramaworkshop.com@gmail.com. If you have a Facebook account, join the official Star Wars Celebration Diorama Builders fan club today. If you like the video, please subscribe, share, and tell your friends to come check us out. If you want to see even more Star Wars Celebration crew coverage, click on the link to warp to dioramaworkshop.com, the official Star Wars Celebration Diorama Builders website.